Yo, Happy New Year, bro. Yo, what's up, bro? Hey, Happy New Year, new me, new keyboard, hey, new switches, bro. Check this out. What new switches, bro? That looks like my grandma's house. Nah, bro, not that switch, bro. Oh, you got the OLED Nintendo Switch? Where is it?
Bro, I'm talking about keyboard switches, bro. What are you smoking?
Oh, yeah, the keyboard switch. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, bro, check out this H1 switches. This is the smoothest linear switch I ever used, bro.
What H are you talking about?
Oh, the switch is called H1 switch. Bro, just try it.
Oh, okay. It sounds good. But it feels like the Razer keyboard I have.
What do you mean feel the same?
Feels like the Razer keyboard, bro. Mechanical stuff, you know?
Hell nah, man. Yo, don't compare TGR JV2CE carbon fiber plate or the switch linked with Crytox 205 Grade 0 with the Razer keyboard, man. They ain't the same, bro.
Nah, this is the typical mechanical keyboard I see in supermarket. Bro, why you look so angry?
You're stepping on the line, bro. What you said is incorrect, stupid, and dumb. You don't understand, man. This keyboard, I have to wait so many months for it to arrive. And I have to open the switch and then lift the switch one by one. Do you know how long it takes to do all of that? And the best part about it, I wait 2 years for the GMK Alter keycaps to arrive, bro. How is this the same as Razer keyboard?
I don't know what you're talking about, but it's the same as my Razer keyboard.
You see all of these switches? These are all different, bro. You need to try it.
Oh, you mean the color? I get what you mean, that the color looks really nice.
Bro, not the color, man. These are all different, bro. The material is different. The spring weight is different. And the stem is different. The feeling is different. Everything is different, bro.
Nah, I bet it's the same as Razer keyboard. But let me try though. Bro, it's the same.
Bro, you gotta press gently, bro. Can you not feel the difference?
Oh! What do you mean different?
This switch has 60 grams spring weight. This one, 67 spring weight. This spring, progressive. This spring, linear. Do you not notice the difference? It's so different, bro. Also, your Razer keyboard is clicky. This is linear. This is much more superior than clicky switch, bro.
Oh! One is linear and one is clicky.
Yes! Bro, do you finally understand? It's so different, man.
Yeah. But Razer keyboard is still better though.
Bro!